Face enough rough life, so we live with no regrets. Yes, enough war and fight, still we give thanks cause we bless. Yeah.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. I'm here telling you say versatile. Versi, the road cover. The man drop something hot. The man drop something banging. The man drop no regrets. So from you know say you have no regret in a life, that song here for you. Don't click off of the video. From you know say yo, you go through all of the struggles and people are bad mind but you live throughout it. That one here for you. From you know say you travel on the straight path and you no go lean. You no go on the lean line. You no go on the shaky line. That one here for you. So don't miss out that song here. Cause me I tell you say that song here chop.
You may say you know the key attack and you catch your prey. Make sure you subscribe to Chaddy TV.
Like so. Yo, Adrian. You know say happy time. We don't have time for the sadness. Watch out then. Bad mind can't hold me down. Bad vibes can't hold me down. Don't have time for bad energy.
Let me tell you something if you never know. Let me tell you about energy. Cause Versi just say enough time for bad energy. So let me tell you about energy and why Versatile could have never have time for bad energy. You see, if you're there around the same set of people and with the same bad and negative energy, your energy will go automatically to negative too. So when Versi say him have to step out time comfort ground. If you're there around some set of people and want to use it in our everyday life, you see me? If you're there around some set of people and you notice say be a negative energy, them never can forward together yet and talk to create a business. But every day them sit down and talk people business. That a negative energy. And at that verse you talk about right, yeah. So me know. You see all of the people them we have negative energy in them, like them born with negative energy, them can't do nothing to get it out. And them are gonna be the one for dislike the video, yeah. But from your nose say your heart clean, just listen throughout the rest of the video, yeah. Cause me a telling you say the song shot, so uno go find out for yourself.
Face enough rough life, so we live with no regrets. Yes, enough war and fight, still we give thanks cause we bless. Yeah, you make we bust car come back up, floss and muggle. Remember the days when we never have nothing there. Give thanks cause we bless. Yes.
So people, a next thing we Versi talk about in that song here when me have to highlight. He must say yo, he must give God thanks because we bless. No for them boy, yo, no care how God bless them. Them would have never take a little time out of them there to say a word of prayer or two. Just say thank you, Jah. Thank you. Make me wake up this morning. Thank you, make me have little food for eat. No care how Jah bless them, me I tell you. And no for them artists boy, so them stay too. But Versi no stay so. Versi have to give Jah thanks because him knows that Jah just have bless him. Don't Versatile. People, you see the link for that song, me I go left it in the description, you know. So you see at any given point, you find up that song and you say, yo, Jah know Chaddy. Do you talk about that song and me have to go listen it for himself. And nothing. Just go click the link, go listen to the song and forward back and tell me how it sound. You see it? Or go so booms and go over there and comment on the page and tell him say, yo, Chaddy Morris send me over here, you know. I say go.
Go so, boss a champagne, it's a happy campaign. For your boss a she, you never take it wrong lane. Nah do it for no hype, for no fame. And the any you a beat, never trust in a no man name. Remember me never have no boss fear, boy. You said that you party with me short tear. Now the Gucci on my feet, I know me first spear. It obvious, say we up there.
Face enough rough life, so we live with no regrets. You know say on a big man level though, me there, me a pray this song. And me I say, yo, you know say in a life, enough things some boy do with them regret, you know. Enough time some boy put them body over the counter and end up regret it, you know. And then them start ball out like Dovey Magnum. Bullet! Oh no. Yo, some boy, them just don't know how to hold them own. You see me? Them see a man a drink Hennessy and them don't know say that the man they a work for all 6 months to buy that Hennessy there, you know. But them go so now, them want that Hennessy there tonight. So them go do some bugger things. Forget that. You see me? And at that verse you teach the youths them in that song right now. He must say, yo, you know say I want to live on the life. I want to live on the life to the fullest. But what? Don't regret it. Don't make 10 years down the line. Yeah, say, yo, John no star. You know, say, me should do that. and then your conscience a bite you. It don't look good. No regrets, we say. So make we hear the second verse where Versatile off, we say.
Whole heap of hard work, sweat and tears. Whole heap of critics, mock and jeers. When we never have nothing, no one cares. No cups in the air, tell everyone cheers. What a drive you have lost with your friends and your family and know everything alright. No bag of war, jailhouse and nothing me. I mean, I make them take my part. Yes, enough rough life.
John was star. Yo, you see that second verse there? Versatile. Why you have to put me in a song? Cause nobody can tell me say I know me matter about right they say no. The whole of them line there where the man a talk about say yo whole heap of hard work, mac and jeer, you know. A whole heap of time people a look for me and I do my YouTube thing and they must say Chaddy, you don't say how waste your time. Dog, what make you not try do something else? What make you not put your time in a something else? But then when them see the thing a shot, then them see the thing, the platform I get bigger. Them must say Chaddy, you know say me kinda want you do a little shout out for one party for me. God, go we don't know. The point where I think Versatile I make still. He might try to say, enough people, them not see the hard work, them not see the struggles, them only see the success, you see me? And you see anytime the success forward, it's like them want up and pan the success there. But them never see the trial, you see me? Because probably them go do all things with them regret to, you know, but them want to take it out of their mind. Them want jump on your success, you see me? It not gonna work. I'm think of that verse I said too. So people, tell me in the comment section if you like this song. Tell me in the comment section if you feel say right now that song I go hit. You see me? And I uno fi make that song you play, you know. I uno fi share that song you know. And tell everybody about Versatile. Tell them about Versi. Why me always I say Versatile? I try Versatile I originally know him from. You see me? Because him used the name Versatile and him change his name to Versi. You see me? But either way, you see me? Tell them about the artist here, cause yo, you see the artist here bad. I'ma feel say enough people asleep on the artist here career. So me couldn't know say me have a platform like this and me have the reviews and me I put out people work out there and I put out people project out there and me couldn't know say Versatile have that bad song here and keep it to myself. Then dog I saw me that wicked. Me no wicked so. So the link in the comment section. Yeah, me I go pin it in the comment section as well and in the description so you can't miss it. All at the end of the screen here, it I go there for you just click on. So you can't tell me say you don't have a reason to run over Versatile page and go check out that song. To go check out No Regrets. It's your boy DJ Chaddy and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Tell me what you think about the song, about the rhythm, about everything in the comment section. You see me? And people, don't forget, click subscribe if I first time you watch it. Like the video man. And go on over Versatile page. When you don't do them thing there, you see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm out.
Whole heap of hard work, sweat and tears. Whole heap of critics, mock and jeers. When we never have nothing, no one cares. No cups in the air, tell everyone cheers. What a drive you have lost with your friends and your family and know everything alright. No bag of war, jailhouse and nothing me. I mean, I make them take my part. Yes, enough rough life.